is at any time blessed, but it is twice blessed for a warrior who dies for his cause, that is truth. A very good morning to esteemed principal sir, respected supervisors, my colleagues and dear students. The word martyr itself brings out the feeling of patriotism in us. 30th January is a date observed as Martyrs' Day as it marks the assassination of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in 1948. Let's observe this day by paying homage to the great soul to honor his sacrifices. May I request all the supervisors, senior teachers and colleagues to come forward and pay floral tribute to the father of our nation. May I now request Ms. Mamta Arora Madam to share her views on this occasion. Madam.
Thank you, Madam. যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ও অভাগে যে বুকের কথা না কয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফেরায়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফেরায়, সবাই করে ভয়, তবে পুরাণ খোলে, তবে পরাণ খোলে, ও তো মনে মোটায়, তোর মনে ফোটায়, তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। How symbolic are the words. A very warm and cordial morning to all. Revered Principal Sir, respected supervisors, dear colleagues, and my beloved children. Dates are numbers which changes every day and come every year on a calendar, but marked as a red letter day when the journey from baby to body is framed with the name. 30th January is such ceremonial and solemn day where the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. Martyrs' Day, also known as Shahid Divas or Sarvodaya Day, is celebrated to pay homage to the great sons of India who fought for the freedom, welfare and progress of the motherland and sacrificed their lives. India is among other 15 countries of the world where Martyrs' Day is celebrated. Mahatma Gandhi, one such benevolent freedom fighter who always considered humanity as his religion. For him, war was a blunt weapon and he followed non-violence, the sharpest weapon for attaining freedom. His principles of Satyagraha helped millions of lives across the globe. His teachings of sacrifice and living for the well-being of the society have made him a revered figure who is respected by people throughout the world. With a pledge to walk on the path of truth and non-violence, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic wars. We all belong to the heaven of free India, where our father, Mahatma Gandhi, let our motherland awake. So let's work till tomorrow, as tomorrow never comes and tomorrow never dies. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. It was indeed very inspiring. Now, I sincerely request the supervisor of the secondary section, Mrs. Subhashri Singh madam, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal sir, respected supervisors, and respected teacher colleagues. Today we are going to observe Martyrs' Day or Shaheed Divas. On this day, that is 30th January 1948, the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was assassinated by Nathuram Godse while he was returning from the evening prayer meeting at Birla House in Delhi. Nathuram Godse held Mahatma Gandhi responsible for the partition of India. But for this evil deed, he was hanged on 15th November 1949. So today on this Shaheed Divas, let us pay our heartfelt respect to this great freedom fighter and also to the countless freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for the sake of the motherland. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Bapuji, was born on the crossroad of our history and gave it a purposeful direction. The personality of Gandhi was built on the rock pillars of truth, service, sacrifice. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or Bapu, is a symbol of virtues and greatness, an epitome of peace and non-violence, the man who led the life of a saint. Let us now follow his footsteps and let us try to make his dream of the India through our deeds. So today on this auspicious day, I would like to highlight one of the weapons used by Mahatma Gandhi. Let us we all adopt that weapon in our day-to-day life so that we can fulfill his dream of Ramarajya in India. The weapon is Satyagraha. In his book, My Experiment with Truth, Mahatma Gandhi stressed that there is a need for truth and there is the importance of truth in our life, because his weapon of Satyagraha was based on truth and non-violence. And this Satyagraha is not a physical force. This is the pure soul force. Truth is the very substance of this force. So it is called Satyagraha. So let us we all adopt this in our life. And let us now take the inspirations from this great soul, that without being aggressive, we can also win the battle of our life by appealing to the conscience of the oppression. So with this, let us pay our respect to this great soul who led the freedom struggle and gave us the freedom that Indians cherished for long. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, madam, for your valuable and informative speech. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram is also called Ram Dhun. It was sung by Gandhiji and his followers as they walked during the 241-mile Salt March. It was one of the favorites of Mahatma Gandhiji and was regularly chanted in his prayer meetings. So come, let's hear the chanting of Ram Dhun from Mrs. Lakshmi Mahanti madam and her team.
Raghupathi Raghav Raja Ram
lives around us. Now it's time for the vote of thanks. So may I call upon Mrs. Sujata Das Madam to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all present here. Esteemed Principal Sir, respected supervisors and my dear colleagues. I feel highly privileged to extend my vote of thanks on this solemn occasion. I express my deepest gratitude to revered Principal Mr. Niranjan Swain Sir for his valuable support. Further, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Subhashri Singh and Miss Mamta Arora Madam for their words of wisdom. At last, I would like to thank all the teacher members present here. Thank you all.